presenting 23 archaeological discoveries of 2024 and 2025 that you may have never heard of. Let the new countdown begin. At number 23, we start our journey in Argentine Patagonia, where archaeologists have found the earliest dated cave paintings in all of South America. These simple, abstract designs, dating back 8,200 years, push back the timeline of art in the region by thousands of years. It's a powerful reminder that the creative spark is one of the oldest and most fundamental parts of the human story. At number 22, we're challenging old stereotypes about our ancient cousins. In Poland, archaeologists have unearthed a rare open-air Neanderthal tool workshop. This find, at the northernmost known Neanderthal site in the country, shows that they weren't just living in caves, but were actively shaping and adapting to a wide range of environments. It's another piece of the puzzle that reveals the complexity and intelligence of Neanderthal life. Our number 21 discovery takes us beneath the waves of the Mediterranean. Off the coast of Sicily, explorers have found a remarkably well-preserved ancient Greek shipwreck. Resting in shallow waters, the vessel and its cargo are providing new insights into the maritime trade routes that connected the ancient Greek world. It's a direct link to the sailors and merchants who risked their lives on these ancient highways of the sea. At number 20, a discovery that brings us back to the roots of society. In Ipswich, England, a 3,000-year-old Bronze Age farm settlement has been uncovered. Found ahead of a road construction project, this site is a window into the daily lives of the people who were farming this land 3 millennia ago. It's a story of community, agriculture, and the foundations of settled life in Britain. From the Bronze Age to the Roman Empire, our number 19 find reveals the luxury and sophistication of Roman Britain. In Wiltshire, England, a high-status Roman villa has been unearthed, complete with stunning mosaics and a complex layout. This discovery, made with the help of community volunteers, is painting a vivid picture of the wealthy elite who lived in this corner of the Roman Empire. At number 18, we return to the land of the pharaohs. In Upper Egypt, a 4,000-year-old tomb from the 12th dynasty has been discovered. This well-preserved burial, found by an international team, is providing new clues about the burial practices and beliefs of the Middle Kingdom, a pivotal period in Egyptian history. Our number 17 discovery adds a splash of color to the ancient Maya world. At the legendary city of Tikal in Guatemala, archaeologists have found a beautifully painted altar. This rare find, with its vibrant pigments still intact, is a masterpiece of Maya art and a testament to the religious devotion and artistic skill of this incredible civilization. At number 16, we're uncovering the stories of powerful Viking women. In Norway, a burial site containing the graves of high-ranking women has been discovered, filled with rare jewelry, coins, and tools. This find challenges the male-dominated image of the Viking world and reveals the wealth, status, and influence that these women commanded. And at number 15, a discovery that shows the sheer scale and luxury of Roman life in Gaul. In France, a sprawling 7,500 square foot Roman villa has been unearthed. With 10 rooms, a stately garden, a fountain, and an elaborate underfloor heating system, this was a palace fit for an emperor. It's a stunning example of the wealth and power of the Roman Empire at its peak. At number 14, a discovery that pushes back the timeline of urban life in the Andes. In Peru, a previously unknown 3,500-year-old city has been discovered, hidden in the desert. This pre-Inca civilization, with its ceremonial temples and residential compounds, is rewriting the history of this region and showing that complex societies were thriving here much earlier than previously thought. Our number 13 find takes us to the Khaybar Oasis in Saudi Arabia, where a 4,000-year-old Bronze Age fortified town has been discovered. This incredible find is a window into a previously unknown chapter of Arabian history, revealing a world of early urbanization and trade that laid the groundwork for the spice and incense routes that would one day connect Arabia to the rest of the world. At number 12, a discovery that shows the enduring power of ancient Egyptian burial traditions. In Aswan, more than 30 tombs have been discovered, nestled in a single hillside. What's remarkable is that these tombs were in use for over 800 years, from the 6th century BC to the Roman period. It's a story of continuity and change, a necropolis that served generations of people for centuries. Our 11th discovery is the stuff of movies. In the dense jungles of Mexico, a huge Maya city has been discovered, completely by accident. Hidden under the jungle canopy for centuries, this lost city, with its towering pyramids, ball courts, and grand plazas, is a testament to the scale and sophistication of the Maya civilization, and a reminder that there are still lost cities waiting to be found. At number 10, one of the most well-preserved ancient shipwrecks ever found. The Mazaron II, a 2,600-year-old Phoenician vessel, was discovered just 6 feet beneath the surface of the Mediterranean, a stone's throw from a Spanish beach. Its incredible state of preservation is offering unprecedented insights into the shipbuilding techniques and trade networks of this mysterious and influential ancient civilization. Our number 9 discovery takes us deep underground into the heart of the Inca Empire. In Cusco, Peru, archaeologists have confirmed the existence of a legendary mile-long tunnel network beneath the Temple of the Sun. This incredible feat of engineering, which connects to other key Inca sites, is revealing the hidden, sacred landscape of the Inca capital and the genius of its builders. At number 8, a major discovery from the golden age of the Middle Kingdom. Near Luxor, a 4,000-year-old tomb has been unearthed, containing 11 sealed burials. The tomb, filled with exquisite jewelry and copper mirrors, is providing a wealth of information about the art, culture, and burial practices of this powerful and prosperous period of Egyptian history. Our number 7 discovery is a testament to the epic scale of the Viking world. In Sweden, one of the largest Viking burial grounds ever found has been uncovered. The site includes the imprints of 3 massive ship burials, one of them over 50 meters long. It's a stunning reminder of the power and prestige of the Viking chieftains who were sent to the afterlife in these magnificent vessels. At number 6, a discovery that is changing our understanding of one of the world's most famous archaeological sites. Using cutting-edge LiDAR technology, archaeologists have revealed a vast, hidden network of ceremonial sites, roads, and agricultural terraces extending far beyond the main city of Machu Picchu. This is rewriting the story of the Inca citadel, showing that it was not an isolated retreat, but the bustling center of a much larger and more complex sacred landscape. Our number 5 discovery could be the key to unlocking the secrets of a lost civilization. In Bolivia, an ancient temple has been discovered that may be linked to the mysterious Tiwanaku society, a powerful empire that predated the Inca. This find could provide crucial clues about the origins, beliefs, and ultimate collapse of this enigmatic and influential culture. At number 4, a discovery that is pushing back the dawn of Maya civilization. In Guatemala, a nearly 3,000-year-old Maya complex has been unearthed, complete with sanctuaries, pyramids, and a stunning 108-foot pyramid with 2 perfectly preserved chambers adorned with vibrant murals. This incredibly early site is challenging our understanding of when and how the Maya civilization began to emerge. Our number 3 discovery is a Viking treasure trove. In Denmark, a spectacular burial site has been found, containing about 30 graves filled with an incredible array of artifacts. From pearls and coins to exquisite ceramics and a special box containing delicate gold thread, this find is a testament to the wealth, craftsmanship, and far-reaching trade networks of the Viking world. At number 2, a discovery that is rewriting the history of art itself. On the Indonesian island of Sulawesi, archaeologists have found what is now believed to be the world's oldest narrative art. Dating back an astonishing 51,200 years, these paintings, which depict human-like figures hunting animals, show that our ancestors were telling stories through art much earlier than ever imagined. It's a profound connection to our deep, creative past. And finally, our number 1 additional archaeological discovery of 2024 to 2025 is a find that seems almost mythical. In Italy, a luxurious Roman villa has literally emerged from the waters of Lake Fusaro. For centuries, this ancient marvel was hidden beneath the lake, but now its walls, columns, and mosaics are once again seeing the light of day. It's a breathtakingly beautiful and incredibly rare discovery, a lost world reclaimed from the water, and a fitting end to our second journey into the golden age of archaeology.